Se uhu se Igbo king no na no wokoi wa ma yanch ya yese ya mana nkochia ene yemu ade a nokre bia nim na wiase no yese aboaso no topoma aboa bia bo ne bi aha ena Igbo king no me ubusa me right now me stance ne say yema no nkoni krom because enipa bibiri omo Ghana, India, or China, Lebanon, wine for ne emu ade obi ani ho no ma wo je ne ho mmena es anka esisu say ono ababa bete ne kingdom obinya na soja fo ne emu ade ne de ben ne de pacho obi ani ho awaka bie papa we no wo musuban ne omo ne ye meka kire o say ukoto se Nigeria ni obi agi Nigeria ni tinifia a monhwe ne mienu nkwala wo muti bayira nkwala wo body parts bayira wo ma ye mo ayi wo mutunu mo ne omonofo en ade ni nyina na Nigeria fo enti nye Igbo nko a nanso nokre e wasa asem we mu no enka bida meka kire o say me information ekuta no oni asante hene nante nye there is a photo amede ba be kire 2012 wakọ akọchi otumfo nsem so what again afi no obechi otumfo no otumfo twene ho afiri no ho edin na ebata na ho no na afi obi edwane na mo mwadiki aye underground job ni nyina awie long time 2012 wadene sa to otumfo o say twin sayem abrame according to me internal information yede abrame no mpacho owansase bebre wasante mantem. That's the reason why no Ashanti hwan youth ni so omani abre wo mo koye demonstration no na nanom pie bai na wono no akakra no wadi 70 years e be 65 no o se ye friend Ashanti concern youth wo mo ababet na o se emamo nye demonstration bi afi ne mate ase.
Gist TV so aya na wa share video yi edi amame na do comment so amamo comment section no ase o subscribe to Gist TV aya na wa subscribe fi se ha no abrani abrebia no ensem a ekoso ewo ye man Ghana mu a e trend pa yi e wo social media ne so ena ya ye bo bia no so e de besom ya hwefo na ehwe man Ghana mu ya no mu sei na sade eche na se anti asempofra na chese wo man yi die yechi enu ti no eya asensem bi sei e beto ye tintan fidie kase isu a yetimi fanka memo na wose ye bo bia no ne ye de bi so e besom ya hwefo mo so hunde ekoso e wo ye man Ghana mu ya ensem bebre no a eko e wo social media no eso kame ho na yenkotie bi embra
papa na mpacho ye frɛ no Kofi Agyenim woko ya woko invite Igbo king no mpacho ni mfonyini wunima enam de to so akere. This actual man, he is the leader of the Ashanti Concerned Youth Onye Kofi Agyenim. Unim ne full name amenhwehwe o ha na memonkyerɛ ye frɛ no Dr. Kofi Agyenim Boateng pacho open the full name akọ Google sesi a akọbọ a ebi yaba Dr. Kofi Agyenim Boateng we ena da Ashanti Concerned Youth no ano na some man we ena eko invite no emu ensem nyina no papa kro na ne gina ha no ma one Igbo king no Kofi Agyenim Boateng ena ni natwa photo ha no. There is another photo nso a eni me be kire omu time a omu twa photo we time asa photo we bae time otumfo say tu ni photo we say ochi an Igbo king na echi a ha no pacho you can see Ochia otumfo se itu nti nyenne akwa no we si mu ache o na nyenne nti nim ya ne makeka ngege me mu aso ate se Igbo king no onye eneba mame mobile number we ma na se opese otu ensuo ofia na wa fresa number no 0247171472 and as 0245636634 Mrs. Subiem 0247171472 and now 0245636634 pachosa number we ofra ubinyana na tunsuama I say I don't think far you are making Ashantis popular. Oh no, what is that? Some me Ashanti is Ashanti popular ben ho asem na yeka. And do you think say I am praying say Ashanti be wiase? Are you okay? I have never ever thought that about that. It is my wish menya na Ashanti ejina baby at least ye can nipa e biti se ne ne wiase nyina Singapore or Reni or even Africa Rwanda nie or the same sa nkofo Ethiopia nie ahwan menya na Ashanti was standard ni bi Baby, you crow no sisia sentia many abere no. So I will continue to speak for my region me free mu. Not that I don't love Ashanti. I really love Ashanti. I love Otumfo say too. Na mamu nye eno na jimi na ebata na mamu hono me why. So what are you talking about? Sana me buy we mba be video we be messages. Say usru afi na wo say akwa na ya bono no wo na ye akawo wo mbebo na anye bia wo da na me kasa no na wo ka se me kasa se me se me sori am ye matasin matasin e kokoko na ya amro no ya amro matasin abusiafo mo nka no kure azuma nursing we see so ye nim so obi antemenhwe no ye bono no nam no hwa no wo kwakowu me nka ba bia da muntie me nka ba bia me preaching mu ne me ka ye better system what is me tia no mama no wirewire se me ho de ye bia antemenhwe me jama magimi me ahode no wan ma ho de we he me nam he ma ho de wan ma besia no hwem nti the fan say sankofo ne nam wo ma ba tiketi no kwasieto ntimi nkwagyegi manim me no ya bomi ya ntimi me ne enso me kina ya papa me hwo a na mani aye se hoka na wote ayi odesen TikTok achi akwa no na ka wasere me poto me de me sere mo me ba cha obrasire mfuyi me de me nka se me ho odene me de ne say me hia system papa wo mi krum me hene na me hunu so ye leader wo betumi atwese ane mani nyina aba pa na me pa ne chew na me tia ne kakra se onyo ne yesi yeyo na wa hwa akwa ebura ya bro no onipa dasani o yonko ye bobo ni wi a sika a woje akogu na account mu de ya bo o hunam ya o ya kapre won san ni bi we me ka kire ne se onko no onko sua odesen boxing e wo bukoma ko obedi matem wa hwe nkwase abura ya bo akura yi na me so se me da me kan na me siansi su biem da wo beti so hini David abrochi ya de metumi akeka da wo beti so hini David wo Ghana say Kim na wote se wasan nsuro waso camera hefa wogina kumase asan bie na na otumfo ne ade mpacha mundi declare me mentally challenge tie me sada na mundi declare kwa ne se wanya mental agony or mental breakdown tie me emye nkokumi ansa Monsori nyina dendende si enipa no watete nansen ye hwe ne ba bia ye hu no akwa no se waba Ghana no okasa ansem na monto mi chen mu jami 2 minutes nkofo no be miamia mekumi no kra na me ka kire mu no mate ana mechi di for mate eda mo be hu se akra ni kuta camera esi nanim woso nam kwa da so wagina mabu akwa otumfo pia betimi aye me den me sremo adwena sei monya fast na ba bia obia o bake moncheme fa men kwa asala mansa na omumu sa aso mimu because ye gimi say gwa mawu ntime de me preaching mu no me pa mo chew wo a wotifi a wo bom pa ye ma me so hini David nya sa akokoduro no nkogina kumase enye sa bia nya me twa oka wo bia wo mpaye no wo bo mpaye ohini David ye ni se wo be ma upia me wo no wo be ma ntimi asante wo betimi agina kumase akasa nyame ntue mu nyina mka bako enti wo hu nipa mobo se hwe bi wonie kwasia wei adida wadawa chinkafa chimkako niema guni widiem wakoto so obo odesen nkofie a within 30 minutes ansole no na nkofie 300 gunachi aboa menkwajeje manim se mewe na me meto anya bia wat betum ba bia me ye boxing training da en yonko timi gina ha se wo mobu sei ni ye bone yem tutututu no wa beti se obi buru me yem da obi ye se dibo me ha de be kene mani akata memma yonko mfa twede enti se me bobo mani na wo tena ofie sere aboa toliwa mesremo minye bi da madwene mu dai enya na mbeduru ha no ada Ghana onya na mete 2012 ya na me free ho 2015 ya na me free Ghana ho wote me nka okronum me nyale obeka se social media mai abakran ka me nyo kwadwene mu ye den adwene ne ye adwuma mete ya pa wo bom ye beye me ya bua kwente se na se na wo de wadwe nyina se jama dachi bi beba mmenya akokoduro bra me kasa adwuma se madwene mu da ho What the wo reading? Kwasi ya osisi me or osisi me ya or Destiny David. Who feelings ya? Who di feelings in David? Me ho ya me de papa me honamu. Me honamu ya me de papa. Obia odon safa me sisi echi say esa de fa me kwanji say me kwati di chinchirin. Eche say me wo feelings. Akwa we no na mo me nim ne ha no. Eno ti ameka tell say esen ke declare no mentally challenged. Inti me se me guso pa mo chewo. Eda wo behu se ohini David wanya akokoduro. Yes, we Kumasi wasia so camera. Oh, Kumasi, was so camera. As I children baby ojina. I men no tumfo we hwan we to me we mesre mo mani need 3 minutes kura. Monya fast am so camera ni bi say yes remo wa hu no area bi am nche nto ma na ye be fa no be yi ne ye hu ye nipa na dwena say. Na monyi mi mfiri wo nsem nya say within the next 30 minutes uhum ye hu me. Ye ben na ni me video mama me papa. Ti ehona na me distie ena maka no obi bom pa yese wo hwe kwan se dachi be hini David beko Ghana o sen esa aka se misre ontime nka kra me ontime nka se maba jama me yale asia ni pa boni ni wo mpa ye nyina no eko enipa nye o se wo moto wo dwene se jama me nya sa akokodre na se akodina santi akoye sa nkwasa se mi o
se wo no
Mano say, me yes Antony. Asante ya no nie bibia. Maf. Eko, maf. Enti no kra na yeka, me bibia meka fo tumfo hu bia na. No kra. Just say as we no eda di pefe asante mpe no kra. What ma say? Asante mpe no kra. Enti sanka ne yeka ni nyina no, eye no kra trodo. Enti wo hwe no kra ya meka nyina so abecheme abenane me. Enya hwe ena me se me nka no ho no anane me so hwa onso mo maka no kra e Ghana nyina obi anya asem wo de hwe ase ye hwe otuaba ma alert ne se da bi se ne COVID-19 sensem na ye no enya no kra ne ye se wo mo se mo declare ne se wonum no bone enti ne atie ni o ka no kra no ye se o ka no kra no wonum ana obi anani da ho ono ne ya ade no eye pe omo se wabodam ni ye na adwene nya no mom ye ade pe omo se na adwene eye fa momo no enti problem ayo sisi ana me de me ka kire mo obi a wugusu a wupiepia na se ehye wadwenem so ohene David dakrubi jama wosia ba be ye yi a obehu ana ogina Kumase no aso camera ensi o kom ye mehwe me ma wontena fie mfa ne nkrofo nsere ye be brume ama ya no makwa akotonsa ba besiwo na ya bofufuo ene nkrakra ye wi ne ye hwe me video ne ye sere ensi da ene o se de be ka oyem meme David nka me yade
unless you join the party
yes na se sia na se na me ka no me bo kakra me atenete niema kakra pe mo beti me nka na otu vose tu obia do bia kadam obua me na nanie wano no wana training sa kire bia ma na ne moto amupu husie na edum ja no nsama mo beti ye no me ko kakra na mbom wo ma me chi me Kumase da me see adwuma me bebo wo mo ye defense artist na obi ani ho ni defense bo me defense me gina me na otumfo achi na me gina number 7 or they say me gina number 5 na me conquer to the one ma me mo bia enyi otumfo sulia me defend no sa time no ma hu se ba bia ya duru no wa nyusu nyansa ya tiuti wa mo no ya no mo ho nkofi bofo or they say hwe wa mo wa fine or the same phone hwade me nya hwade na ntwe cousins no ye ben na no papa wono wante wonya kashe wotonfo ahye ya mfew wawie watonfo a wahye ya mfew papa wonya tese asem na eno ano no na we are making batch my bone munni ha na otumfo or the same basically na prempe dwindwintwe kwase ampanyini ya ne ma metwebo abensa soja for ringing tone ya ye di ne ma me twetitan bobo wa ma osiesie 2 euros ansa na ye bo ano de akofa na Africa na aba no wa nyisi sa artist ni bi me ne wa wo ba na ya ye interview ne ye twa na say tu ye twa na da pa obi ani ho no camera nsi ye so akwa ye so ba be kwa mi wa hey mi donya me wotumfo say tu e mo bi anka na sem ya mo bi anka hwan no ohene David no ensna me ne netikurum he ya me se mi nya na me bobɔ na ku no ade agye ni nia ja benden eti we ye nyina ye practice di ato wo time so na hwe na ho na be di agra nana sa time make asa no obeje di se na me depression e chen kura yi depression bi ana ba me so no ena ma me de ka san kwa asem no nana enfi obi a wase me nana me ni so na ta when depression enfi o kwa me nya kwa me me no to for say to no no timi di twama atwa kwa sense so no ahura ba woni kwate so no ni nyina wati wona wa isi kuntan wa mai bini hey mo babdo ese akwa no chese wo hwa akwa no hwa ya hwe ne na utim so ohene David hwe ne ye de anom no akwa na yadum no wo hwa ade ni din a nipa na obo no me ho adua na hye ni timense akwa no me photo beda ne te gwa no mo se wonye what the money was wo ohene David na ye nya wo ohene David na ye nya wa mo hwe ni wie no mo se da bi senya akwa na me ka kire wo me ka kire mo ye dum akwa nyina wo nim se ohene David no manya no enti sa akwa na dwene ye adwuma wanka yankwai me do tutu ameka na ya kompa cho nana ye biafo wo blocks factory bi o se ubesi dan kwa wa sentiment o de sen kramante mba bia ne blocks factory no won kran nti ube top blocks na ono ade bekwa kogu ba bia we your project na man free why o hia ne number o de contact me na ahwehwe sister dan na kira kwan o pa Ontario ma wo US a so easy why dan se obemi apam free Ghana abrew open o de bekwa yi wedding birthday party why obey ni nyina ma uhia na mpacha dina.d fashion mpacha ubenya no hono ma na se wo de contact me the number be man why Shatawale ni app no Shasi app montwe obekọ ba bia afre ne taxi ne mefa wo na wo de G Glow Shabada product ni nkuto no etimi aye owidie ye wasra ma owidie ase ya tie me mo amasra sra ma owidie ase no odi nkuto be repair ama mo wa empa mo cho ono nko ani nkuto no na chemical bia ni mo de aye nku kama chemical bia ni mo ko UK o jene samba ho pa o jene din ho kama why medam asepa yankwai na yankoni yankonkotie Black Rasta and a bema sa revelation we na minim na mikoko hui obi aka kire o say Igbo king no yes ye chase no from enhia sin who evidence number 1 in 2012 papa no eko otumfo say tuwo ekokochia no kama nti wo mo na wo ha no obi a hwem bia abacha bolove no so na mo share video no mama thank you I who say nipa 6 I share what TikTok 171 I share what TikTok oba no 174 I share what YouTube pacho ube to me I share video na ma adofo so and said to me I can be why Mr. Wa pacho ni 2012 ena papa no ekokochia otumfo sei na ye ba bet or the saying sa ye asante hima ye Bacho yedi kan soma Dr. Kofi Ajenim Boateng bacho woni 1 week ne beba so no ene yesoma papa say onko no nko invite Igbo king no e ma ne mra aye ni bi unim say asante se ne no mpese o ma ye ni ye no wo mo hia mafra fo nyina ma ba na mo de ahyomo ho animonyam wo mo nim nyansa kwa ye fa so organize ma aye ye fe wo mo nim nyansa ye de organize a clinic room ye problem ne ho nti nokrewe na America no meka no nkyere se mesi ye bom ya entime nti daache mekwa me abo me nka ahwe ho asem me kira wo se nsem bi se na meka se ye invite nkofo nyina nti wokwa mo page o ma se oh ye nuanom ba ole o mo firi Cote d'Ivoire bai oni passe an United Nations nyina akwa o mo we yate utumi invite ma World Bank United Nations wan ye obi aba wa yimpa does it clean Ashanti region ye ka Ashanti region amaka se Kumasi nye Kumasi enkronkitu a atwa Ashanti region ho Kumasi ho ahia ni nyina wa Ashanti region mu ni nyina ye undeveloped corona uhunu Kumasi na akoye Central Business District a wo ho no mpacho enompo enne corona enne ye otumfo ase no enti me baba bebo video bi a kire na nipa na o kana o ma ye adwen ba so ye koye investigation no ye nyina ye hu video ana photo yi hu da nana Kofi Ajenim Boateng Pacho way na menshia soma no man ko invite Igbo king no kanokre wo money ni connection bia ye ko invite no so omra yi. But 1 week no na yese papa ne se na dwen ne basa because onim ne obebe kumase no eba be dane nsem foforo nti 1 week wanko na papa ne san ko biem ko invite no for the second time say nananom se me invite na bra ye ni bio kom na wa mam ibobefu pa ayonko fa edo mo ne omuntem ha de ogitum se obeba eno na da no so ya mehu Igbo kwenu se na one ne nkrofo asanla ya wo mbese ne ya omukọ ayie no yenkwai na kona kokotie ne yeka ho pa chawo ubetumi a share video no abolove no so amadofo nso ensa etumi aka bi nti video ya me ba beboyi no me pa chawo eye yebra hwan Igbo kwenu ono ne ho asem na meka kire o tie ni ye na when you make us Ohini David Eboye wanti. Yankwai.
My brother, it's all over the internet. Igbo King. I was officially invited by Otumfuo.
What? I was officially invited by Otumfuo. Igbo King no wakasa. Ne numa sem na Black Rasta eye ho program sisia no. Yankwa na kokotie bi. It's not a joke.
Funeral. My brother, it's all over the internet, radio and TV in Ghana and beyond, that a certain man who calls himself the Igbo King of Ghana, this man that you see here, His Royal Majesty Chukwudi Jude Ihineto.
Akos mesremo program na me no mempe obia se evidence nie Machrawo Igbo King na watch Otumfuo image eye 2012 a woto ho wo ma me kan se nye no kre first day Igbo King asemba me kan kire say obi aka kire ento asomo because send your papa no walk straight oba be duru ya nipa twa no ho ahia ne nkrofo kra ba be hia no inside ho ye ma no Igbo kwenu na che say wen say ye invite na onya kwan kra no awuram ena me kire say oni menhia wa yonko eno maka nipa ani menni. It is a evidence we now Baby Jinaza is a lie. He wasn't invited. No. Ochebai was invited, right? Should I block you? And then if I block you or more YouTube nyina ma bia nyina. More than yo. Mako bia wo bia. Ehwa mu jimi ana me block mo for some time. Ya na me pese me wese mo aduan sesa me mpesa jimi no ha. Enti ko anu tum na me ye program. Enya by force out na. Ko na mo am nko keka nsem nunu mo ho. Na mo am nsere. Asantini mpese obete se yesisei nipa no was invited mahemfo se evidence kura ni honom se omo ne manhia wo link ya ade ne ba afoforo no me be ka kire mo se asante no won link ene yete se asante youth no pese omo ye demonstration na nanom na support omo ne ni bibia anko mo support yi buy omo reason is han ye de ni nipa nyina atekama wo mu kumade hie am se da bi ayenkofa ye da yentem edon ya mahama so be kan ye John Mahama say, "Wono kra de oye hene e wo honom." John Mahama say ono kra de oye hene na ne step mother Itama Jerry John Rollins eye hwan no e ho no ko ya okobo ne ho adwa. John Mahama nti yesi ne hene oye de ben eze de ben. Eno to gbagulum gbagumolo say gbaguwolo. Ono so ba abonten na sema oka ne say Ghana fo himfu nyina say omo ma akoa no asase ma ne nchekire Igbo village a wono gbagulowo wa get ready say obema Igbo King no asase na obete wo Black Rasta ne nsemi munti be careful me program am page me tawaso na tie we are not just here wasting our time stupid.
He's been in Ghana for so many years. He's married to a Ghanaian woman. His children are Ghanaian, Nigerian children who all bear Nigerian and Ghanaian names. According to him, it all started in 2012 when his own Igbo people came together and said, it looks like we need a representative aside the Nigerian High Commission, traditionally to represent us. And they chose him as the leader, the chief, the king, the emperor depending on how you want to refer to him.
I'm sorry, Kafra, why? Eja, me bought from YouTube straight into advert that's on any banana airborne. Tita was on Sebe Albertini in why? Me that's it.
My brother, my sister, he was only supposed to oversee the interest of Igbos in Ghana. Gradually, their numbers started increasing, and many people came to him from Igbo land to learn about the Ghanaian culture and how to even live in Ghana.
Good.
My brother, my sister, from 2012, when he was installed as the chief, the emperor, the king of the Igbo people in Ghana, he decided to spread his wings and also go around introducing himself to all the prominent people of this country. My brother, my sister, this is His Royal Majesty Chukwudi Jude Eheneto. He's all the way from Nigeria, Igbo Kwedo, and you hear him say Zuekwenu. This is the man. Now, in 2012, he went all the way to see the Otumfuo. And this is him shaking hands with the Otumfuo, my brother, my sister, to introduce himself officially to the Otumfuo. And there he is, Otumfuo and his elders sitting down. This is a photo from 2012. From that time.
And so, will you refute this? And I'm the chairman. So, any 2012, me pacho papa no na ekoto hono ma o kire Otumfuo no. Enti wadi kia akwache asante hene dada enya afei na ope kwan achia asante ehene. Pacho mienti ni ye. Wadi kia achia asante hene long time enya afei na okope kwan achia no. Yento aso e.
He's been a friend of the palace.
What?
He'll go in and out, meet with Otumfuo, talk to Otumfuo, seek his advice, and all that.
What?
He always.
Enti ayonko e da woni Otumfuo ntem no moti abontene na mo keka nkwase asem. Long time and on Otumfuo ayonko fa o komenhia edi wo afurusane eba say ya. Not once, many times.
Welcome this gentleman to the Manshia Palace. Many people have come to see him as a man who loves to meet so many different people.
No, correct.
Unfortunately, for the so-called Igbo king in Ghana, everything went haywire in 2025 when an old video came out and he purportedly said he was building an Igbo kingdom. They would have their own police, their own soldier, and they would have almost everything in that kingdom, including Igbo food. Many Ghanaians did not go into the story properly. And what did they do? They started hitting the road with demonstrations and even threats to chase out all Igbos from this nation. It took serious effort by the nation, including the president of the republic, to be able to calm down nerves. Just as the nerves were calming down, Bobo Ulomo also came out. In fact, the spiritual leader of the Gan state said that my relationship with the Gan people is known to everybody. But what people don't know is that we are also close to the Nigerian people. It doesn't matter whether they are Igbo or Yoruba. We love the Nigerian people. In fact, we even traced a part of our ancestry to Nigeria. We can't trace out any Nigerian from this country. That was what Bobo Ulomo said. He said, if we are not ready to give the Igbo people some land to build an Igbo village, I, Bobo Ulomo, will do that. My brother, my sister, it created problems all over Ghana. And it looked like Ghanaians, some Ghanaians were beginning to be xenophobic. Oh, Igbos are thieves. Oh, Igbos, they are going around kidnapping people. Oh, they are frosteds. And with that kind of information in their prejudiced minds, every Igbo was a criminal. And for that matter, every Igbo must leave Ghana. Now, the interesting thing is that we have Syrians here who are more powerful than this so-called Igbo king. We have Syrians in this country, Americans in this country. My brother, there are thieves amongst the Americans in this country.
Enti ne ya unua e preach kono me de enya na asem no information a ekuta na ode bae efa iboke no ho na ne hia. John Dramani Mahama bae no ma wo sa hene patro ha say John Mahama is known as the Arare Otolase of a kingdom and as of a kingdom. Aha enti na ne din ekuta no no Are Otalos Otolase. Atolache and the one in yes neba Atolache of Offa Kingdom. Medase papa and you know and ye why so ena e wo honom no ada wote Igbo kasa na watimi aka ene kama sa amami echo okay so Lagos town in the the at Menchia he said he wants to learn and serve at Menchia to his tradition. The guy came as an Igbo community leader but had plans to be a king. And you know, Mama Murinfi, Ishmael Bangura Medamase Papa, and Misro Abanti and Onyeni Patua. Why?
There are criminals amongst the Lebanese in this country. And we all remember the shawarma making business that poured pepper on the face of a Ghanaian worker. Do we all remember? My brother, my sister, rape. We've seen Lebanese people rape girls in this country. And we have reported all this. Not only Lebanese, we have Chinese in this country who are doing evil, destroying our land in togetherness with Ghanaians. My brother, my sister, we have Americans who are thieves. Yet, it doesn't look like we are too interested in all these people. We are interested in our own black-skinned people, and we want to chase them out. In the days of Buzia, we all remember how Nigerians were chased out of this country. Aliens Compliance Act. It was an animal that destroyed the cohesion of this country. In fact, it threatened to destroy it forever.
Mr. Onyokano or Baba Betre time I invite Ibokeno and unti ampese a video. Nti bolov no so na yankowai. Thank you so much. Patrick Jamé, Medasi Bibri.
And felt threatened that Nigerians coming into this country, especially, were taking over jobs, meant for Ghanaians. They were becoming more prosperous and owning property more than Ghanaians. That was the hidden secret. And Buzia.
Mogafra, Madaroma, I mention now me stream from YouTube into say we never automatically. Say oh dear some Ukrainian.
More than Ghanaians. That was the hidden secret. And Buzia, daft as he was, non-African as he was, chased out all these people. In fact, his spectacle was focused on the Nigerians. Nigerians were chased out of this country. My brother, my sister, a lot of them left their houses behind because they couldn't carry those houses back to Lagos. Their fat bank accounts, the bank stole them. There was only a certain amount of money they could carry away. About 10% of the money, in some cases 20 to 30% of the money, and about 70% of their money and more were swallowed by Ghanaian banks. A lot of Nigerians went back to Lagos and died after a few days. They had worked so hard, following the principle of Kwame Nkrumah, to come and invest in a fellow African country, or better still, a sister African country. When Kwame Nkrumah was overthrown in 1966, and it went all the way from all those criminals. And we now had Buzia coming in. That was what Buzia did. They were undoing everything Kwame Nkrumah did, including the invitation of African countries, brothers and sisters, to come and do business with us. They chased out the Nigerians. When Shagari came into power, Shehu Shagari, he decided that he would pay Ghana back in his own coin. We all remember that Ghana must go back. They chased us out of Nigeria.
And the story now no can acquire Ghana fast so pam Nigeria for according to history no Liman or pam warm Nigeria ni be fie a hona e woni ma yese Akufo-Addo ene otie no. Efie na Akufo-Addo team no according to omo nim say e Nigeria ni na ne fie no Nigeria ni ana wo ye business ta ko wo sika ne fie enye fiketwa ehɔ na Akufo Addo tie no ye pamo wo mo ema wo magyapade kai nti mpaacho ohene foforo so ba ye frɛ ne Shehu Anwan no ɛna ɔno so ba ye obe retaliate ana sɛ obe respondi tu ya Ghana for so ka a ɔno so Ghana must go ye de face wo no me pe baabi a ye say ma ye invite Iboken no twen ho yi why me da say
Always have to send ships to carry us home. My brother, my sister, we will never forget. We have become so much of friends. We have places in Ghana that are named after Nigerians and even Nigerian areas.
no correct.
We have Lagos Town.
No correct.
We have Agege.
Yes.
When I first came to Accra, there was a place called Agege. These days, I don't hear that.
That's all Agege.
My brother, my sister, we have Lagos Town. What happened to Lagos Town? When you go to Takoradi, there's Lagos Town. My brother, my sister, there's nowhere in Africa you would go and you will not feel the presence of Nigerians. Yet, it looked like we just wanted to give a cat a bad name so we could hang it. The man said he was going to build an Igbo village. But some bloggers decided to turn it around and say he was building a kingdom. All of a sudden, fellow Nigerians came in, rubbished this guy, kicked him out, and he's been quiet from that time. Now, when Nana Konadu Adum III died, the queen mother of Asante Mai, the sister of the Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, when she died at the age of 98, a few days back, Asante Mai via Manshia decided to invite so many very important people and prominent people to the palace of the Otumfuo. In fact, to commiserate, yes, to commiserate with the situation. My brother, my sister, to empathize with the kingdom. Now, one of the people invited was His Royal Majesty Chukwudi Jude.
One of the people invited by Menshia was Chukwudi Hwan ehimeze dieben mpacho eno ne yeduru mpacho wadaro ma betimi ahye video na madofo so ense tumi aka bia nka mani beje ho pa mon share video no madofo a omon so nyina asonti bi mayen mpacho bolove no so na share mayen ai otwi ajanka hey sorry and yenye ne sa otwen ye OTWEE otwen why ya monsu atwi ni ye otwen ajanka ntimbacho sisa udi no ai na wo nya sa eye otwi why otwi ajanka ebasa emwa otwen ajanka o say it's me otwen ajanka my friend ntontoma ka say that I should follow you from Sorodai Kofodua wonderful medase ai ntontoma ka me de wo bo adwuma papa enti ye da say waba fie ha say yem wo akwanya obetinya kire wadwen enya ne make nyina na yesa wofa ohwe na mechi a wo right say wo so otenetene me wa ha say medase bebere enti ba cho yankwai na yenua no yankonkotie nanum asem no why medase
the man you see here all the way from Manshia. They came in and invited him for the 1 week. This was the man who came. Dr. Ajenim Boateng. He is the leader of the Asante Man Concerned Youth.
Asante Man Concerned Youth. Mr. Kofi Ajenim Boateng. Bacho ono na Black Rasta edin infoni abo no hwe no oni. Eda wo call ya wo invite papa no for the 1 week no. Bacho eni. Yenti ento aso
all the way from Manshia to come and invite this man. And look at how he was dressed. This is the palace of Chukwudi Jude Nato. My brother, my sister. He invited him and he said, okay, I'll give you a response. When the man left, he said, no, I don't want to go. If I go, I don't know what is going to come up next. So he didn't go. Now the main funeral was coming. So many presidents were coming around. And Dr. Ajenim Boateng came again to the palace of Eze. And that same day, inviting him one more time.
Into 1 week, Papa no Ajenim Boateng, Kofi Ajenim Boateng, Ashanti Concerned Youth no. Omo epenyi a friend Kofi Agyenim via menshia na chese through menshia no wo na ye we into wo kwa invite no mane mra no pacho wo call 1 week akwa na ma eye pa ni bedru wo na yasen asoma no for the second time no pacho enya no kra asantefo empanyimfo ne mo a moda saa de na no oye programming ka by now o maba aba be refute say dabi ya invite no ono ande ne pe bae ti what about what is all this asantefo no na and isenka de ben na ye invite no menhia ankasa and invite no obi abusa aka kire ne say ohene David programmer oye no ne wa kire mu ababeduru no ba cha odiem biem na wo pesa otie diem biema nokure ni nyina na abusia mo amunim no nokure wo mu nyina na me de akire wo no menhia invited Mr. Chukwude. Menshia na invite no nye ne pe no de bae. Na wo be kire nie enti a ya mananche anana. Eno so to aso. Tie bi.
And my sister, to empathize with the kingdom. Now, one of the people invited was His Royal Majesty Chukudi Jude Ihineto, the man you see here.
I'm saying
all the way from Manshia. They came in and invited him for the 1 week. This was the man who came. Dr. Agyenim Boateng. He is the leader of the Asante Man Concerned Youth. He was sent all the way from Manshia to come and invite this man. And look at how he was dressed. This is the palace of Chukudi Jude Ihineto. My brother, my sister. He invited him and he said, okay, I'll give you a response. When the man left, he said, no, I don't want to go. If I go, I don't know what is going to come up next. So he didn't go. Now the main funeral was coming. So many presidents were coming around. And Dr. Agyenim Boateng came again to the palace of Eze. And that same day, inviting him one more time. Please, the 7 days you didn't come. If you don't come, I'll be angry with you. And he decided that he would go with his entourage to Manshia. And what did he do? The Igbo people in Ghana, solidarizing with him, decided to go there. And there you will see them. In fact, singing and dancing and also displaying their beautiful culture. This is His Royal Majesty Chukudi Jude Ihineto, with their red hats signifying their Igbo culture. My brother, my sister, they went all the way to Manshia, shook hands with so many people, empathized with the situation, solidarizing with the people of Asante Mine. And then it came to the time for him to meet up with the Otumfuo, as many did. My brother, my sister, amidst the shout of Igbo Kweno, Zwekweno, and all that, he went over quietly to the Otumfuo.
Entimba mocho mesere mo a eyemo se Igbo ken no ono a na invite no hode no ho ba ye oba beje animonyam no wo mpese obekọ enti se wutie ne na we kan a o se wo ko yi mpoko ka kire se 1 week ma be invite wo ama me na me Asante Concerned Youth and as Asante de ben youth president me invite say menhia se me invite na bra 1 week no ama we ya ye pande wo ama me bu be fu pa eche se omo wa yonko fa sonko bi omo wa yonko na se no ni papa no mbe se obekasa bebiri ama chena ya san ama ne ho abeya hi se no ohwe heat na ba ye na wa stay low and this anka kwa obekasa Nigeria bibi timi omo he ma me kan sem one thing about Nigerians ne say wo ye kukukuku na o ma ne fire de hia na obebre ne ho asesesi a ti da bia me kan sem kire say Asantefo wo mo ye Ghana ye Nigeria fo sa na omote enti Asante e na invite no ye invite na mana batie ne to aso eduru sa okwa akochia no die enti a wanya nchia obia ne ho si ni kwan mo na mo invite na mane bae mo pese obechi anka mane bae na mbom ne yesi ye nie tie bi.
And whilst he was approaching the Otumfuo, according to him, in fact, some members of the palace approached him and said the Otumfuo shook hands with so many people, and therefore his hand was almost getting numb. For that matter, all other visitors coming up next would just have to bow
ama yesi oji ahoho kra na anu wakọ sampa nko okochinchim sampafo ensa ade akonwa o service otumfo oseetu na ko agede ama ono ne hina openasem no ne etie nyina nie oji ahoho mpo antimi ankoche otumfo oseetu wantimi ankoche ana adan a eduru sesa mpanfo ni nyina ba che otumfo no na for the day no otumfo achia enough kan kura nipa na asan like we ba game memo akwa ba mo nana wati wasa no wati se me peche ti say na wo ye no oji nchia no oye nya kura no obi nsa da ne nsa ase o eduru ba bi no abra na ye pia so ye obi kura ne nsa num de ato o nsa num wa yes afedie nana ka kire o se morehene mensa me ya mabasa nyina me ya de se beti a chia biem ntuma hene mabre we no ema ampaso obi antena se mbacha ye ne me yi ai tina won sasa mbacha not 5 minutes obebre hade ne me yi tina won sasa within 5 minutes entina na kwa ni mu gakra mawre ne se mabre mensa ntumi faja me se biem krao hey aduma nya sam keto sika de meje ai ensane de ba pa se akufo ado bo sen 1 billion eya so se mintimi nchia bi mintimi wa ne se eye nana se wabre wontumi nchia bi ontumi nchia bi tie no ene ma obi a na oba bia ya se uduru hono ma wo de bo mu ase na chia nana ko nana nsa home kakra ye nto aso
and walk on the other side without approaching to hold the hand of Otumfuo. And we all saw that. Otumfuo couldn't shake hands with everybody. Otumfuo is not a statue. By tradition, somebody would have to hold his hand, and you will see a linguist holding his hand. His hand became numb. Tens of thousands of people shaking the same hand. So they decided that people approaching him should just bow quietly and then move to the other side. And when Chief Chukudi Jude Ehinato approached, he took off his hat. And this is what he has done. All this while, anytime he approaches any person of traditional importance in Ghana, he takes off his hat as a sign of respect. He's just a community leader, a chief. You could call him a king or an emperor of the Igbo people from Nigeria. He is not a king in Ghana. He is a chief, a king, an emperor of the Igbo people living in Ghana. That's it, as simple as that.
Dimbacho niaka biya Black Rasta beka fa ho biya no ehun hia me sesia
Abusiafo said the medical kan ye no just TV so de bia no ensem bi sei ene ya ye de ebesome ahwefo momonso mu de ekoso ewo ye man Ghana mu hia ensem a wuti bia wobetimi de bi so no abo wo bla efutuo ensem de ekoso ne de eba enu bi ena de bia no ye bo bia no a ye de eba besom enti video ya kwakohwei eya na do comment amame e comment section no ase uwi ya na wa share edi ama wonu amo no so hu de ekoso ewo ye man Ghana mu hanomo ese aha eye GSTV so makramo